G'day everyone, Brian here. Today I was cleaning up my garden and I cut down some small trees, and instead of chucking the stuff in the waste, I decided that I would keep um, the main part of the trunk and see if I couldn't turn something out of it on the lathe. Now, it's all still very wet obviously because I've only cut it today, but I want to seal the ends of it. Now, I didn't know how to do it, so I dived on the YouTube, and one of the ways that you can seal the wet wood is to coat the ends, the cut ends, in glue, in PVA wood glue, which is what I'm going to do. I've just got a small bottle of Titebond 3 here, which I'll use to coat the ends. I've decanted some of that small bottle into a smaller bottle, which I will use to put on. Now, this is just one way of sealing the ends. If you could suggest some others, or you know some other ideas, please put it in the comments below and I'll read it. I'll read all the comments. Yeah, I do appreciate people commenting on the videos. Anyway, I've got about 7 more to do, so I'll bring you back when I've done them. Okay, welcome back folks. As you can see, I have coated the one end of these 8 pieces of wood with a good coating of Titebond 3. I only use Titebond 3 because that's all I had in the shed at the time. I'm sure other PVA or wood glue will do the job just fine. Now, as I said to you before, if you know a better way or a different way, leave it in the comments below and I'll read it and check it out. I'm going to let this set now overnight and I'll come back in the morning and do the other ends. Obviously I could only do one end because if I put it on the end it's going to wipe all the glue off. So I will see you back here tomorrow. Cheers. Oh, good morning folks. It's about 6:30 AM. I've come out to repaint the glue on these logs. You can see that the glue I put on yesterday, if you can catch that shine, has formed a nice seal over the end of these logs. Now I'll do the other end, and then I think I might even go as far as putting another coat on. But before I do any of that, I'll grab a cup of coffee. It's 6:30 too early in the morning to be in the shed? Hell no. Anyway, I'll come back when I'm done. Okay, lucky last. Give it a good dollop. There you can see I'm just soaking it with the wood glue. Nice and thick. It's running down the sides a bit, but that's alright. It doesn't matter. I'll leave that now for the rest of the day. I'll come back this afternoon. I've got a few things on today, so I won't be able to spend any time in the shed until I get back from those errands, those things I'm doing. And I'll do another coat. Should be dry by then. Oh, good day folks, I'm back. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. And that glue that I put on yesterday and this morning is set. I don't think I'm going to need to put another coat on, to be honest. It's formed a very good seal. over the ends of the wood. So what I plan to do now is to store this wood away for a while. I'm not going to use it straight away. I'll just stash it in a dark place, and then I'll bring it out a bit later on when I need to use it. I've got a few other things on the go at the moment, so these little logs are going to have to take a back seat. But anyway, as I said at the start of this video, if you've got some suggestions about sealing wet wood for wood turning purposes, put them down in the comments below. That would be appreciated, and not just for me but for anybody else who wants to watch this video. If you stayed to the end, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. I only do this for fun, so I'm not making money out of it or anything, but I still appreciate people subscribing and commenting, and I do try to answer all the comments. Anyway folks, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. BT out.